So this asks us to solve each inequality and graph the solution on a number line. So remember that to solve an inequality, we go through the same concept of steps as when we're solving an equation. Our goal is to isolate this variable. So with that, we have a plus 11, so we need to subtract 11 from both sides of the inequality. And that leaves us with x is greater than 5. Remember that the negative with adding and subtracting doesn't make our inequality sign switch. That's only with multiplying and dividing. So our solution there is x is greater than 5. And to graph that, we want to take our number line, put arrows on both sides. We need to represent 5. And this is an exclusive piece of information. So we're not going to have a shaded circle. And we want all of the values that are greater than 5. So we go this way towards the right. The next one we have x minus 5 is less than or equal to 1. So to undo our subtraction, we want to add 5 to both sides of the inequality. And we end up with x is greater than or equal to 6. Sorry, x is less than or equal to 6. I'll read that backwards. Here's our value. This one is inclusive, so we have a closed circle. And we want all the values that would be smaller than 6 on our number line to be included as well. Okay, for these problems, our information is on the other side. Our goal still, though, is to isolate the variable. So we have x plus 3 here. That means we want to subtract 3 from both sides of the inequality. That leaves us with 1 is greater than or equal to x. Now remember, we said it's best if we write our variable first in order to help us with our graphing of our equations. So we'll have x is less than or equal to 1 because we're wanting to have the reverse of this inequality here. So on our number line, we need to put 1. We need to show all of the values that are less than or equal to 1. So we're going to have an inclusive dot and shade all of the information towards the left.